Good day, everyone. My name is Edwin Caligata. I'm here to share my thoughts on a very important topic about pro-life and pro-contraception. So, firstly, I'm gonna tell you what about this contraception. Contraception is a method used to prevent pregnancy. It includes birth control pills, condom, UIDs, and more. For many people, contraception is a way to plan and space out pregnancy, allowing for better health and economic stability. So I am a pro contraception. So here's why I am a pro contraception. Firstly, contraception helps family and plan their future. When their couples can decide when to have children, they can ensure they're emotionally and financially ready. This lead to healthier and happier families. So secondly, contraception empowers women. It allows women to pursue their education and careers without the interruption of an unplanned pregnancy. This contributes to gender equality and economic growth. So, additionally, or thirdly, contraception plays a crucial role in reducing the number of unintended pregnancy and consequently the number of abortions. This is a significant benefit for those who advocate of reducing abortion rates. And that's all. Thank you.